You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Sword Spitfire Mark XIV in 1/72 scale. So, another great kit from Czech Republic. Well, what else do you expect from a people of great craftsmen? Oh well. But if you want to build a Spitfire Mark XIV in 1/72 scale, this is the kit to get. That's the short story, but if you want to actually see the kit, you have to stick around a little longer. Ooh, nice. Let's start with the smallest sprue, the transparencies. Yeah, great. There's some lens effect, but well, it's okay. And the rest. As you can see, there's two underside wing parts. And they have a different gun arrangement with different gun ports for the outer machine guns here. So, whichever version you want to build, you take that part, of course. But let's have a look at the part. And the really cool thing is this. The famous gull wing, which not every kit gets right, but this plane from Sword is spot on. This is a very, very characteristic detail that you don't often see well reproduced, but this kit has it. Several styles of guns, 20mm guns. And let's have a look at the rest. Yeah. Great panel lining. Cockpit. Oh. I'm getting all enthusiastic here. And some nice detail on the inside. Yeah. Really, if you want to build this kit, if you want to build a Spitfire Mark XIV, get this one. This is about as good as you can get. The decal sheet. Lots and lots of small detail stenciling. The roundels are in perfect register. Yeah, I really... Ooh. They are printed by Kabinet, however, which is a Polish company. They look good, but some old decals from Kabinet used to be problematic. I hope these ones will be okay. They look good, though. We'll see. The instructions, the usual story. Course, sprue map, and yeah, straightforward build. It's yeah, choices between wheels, the wings, of course, which style you want. Indication map for all the stencils on the decal sheet, of course, and some color schemes. These are also on the back of the box, by the way. And yeah, it looks all very, 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 very nice. Of course, this one will be interesting for me. This one was flown by Ruud Burgwal, Dutch pilot, V1 Hunter. There's only one small thing that they missed, though, on the decal sheet and also on the color profile, and that's it's supposed to have a small orange triangle underneath the cockpit to indicate that it's a Dutch pilot. But oh well, I think I can work around that. So, a really neat kit. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.